back in Mustang. I'm driving to Falkenberg. It's a town north to Halmstad. We are going there to have a car meet, as every Saturday almost. As you can see, it's still a cloudy, rainy day. Not much rain today, and they said that it's not about to rain before 3 o'clock in the night, so we have time to make a little car meet. So I'm just going down there now, or up there. So let's see what happens. Look here, guys. Everything is green. It's like we're in the middle of summer or something, except the weather, of course. But everything is green. Everything looks like summer. All previous week and this week here is like rainy every day. Today was raining only early in the morning, and then it stopped. You see, now I have my car back in the garage, so it's clean. I've been cleaning it yesterday, and we're gonna have a car meet, as I said before, in Falkenberg today. It's like 70 kilometers from my house. There we're going. We're gonna do an event. It's called like People Choice. So that means that we're gonna be in the event. We're gonna have a number, and the people that's there is gonna vote on us, on our car, which one is the most beautiful, and the person wins, the car that wins is gonna get a prize. What's the prize? I don't know. Probably it's gonna be, it can be something like a chocolate, that it can be even like 4 tires or something. It depends the organization that's gonna pay for it. So I don't know if I'm gonna win. They used to be, the winners used to be always like a Ferrari, Lamborghini and stuff like that, because people voting on those supercars all the time. I'm not going there just to get the prize, you know. I'm going for have fun. And I don't know if we're gonna have a race later on because of the weather, first of all, and then it's like police is gonna be there since the beginning. So I see really hard to have a race tonight, but we will see what happens. I said, I wasn't there just for the price, and because they didn't set where exactly they were starting, so we get inside, so I didn't see them, and then I just missed the opportunity to get in the event. But it's okay, no problem. As I said, I wasn't there just for the event. I was there to have fun, and I had fun, so that's what mattered. The other thing is that I met this YouTuber, and I'm gonna write below his channel too. He's going around and take some pictures of cars and doing some YouTube channels. He have a new YouTube channel like me, and we're gonna cooperate now. We're gonna go find some nice cars and make reviews, and he have some cars himself, so he will come make some reviews on my cars, and I will go do some reviews on his car, and probably we're gonna get sick videos here. And as we talk, he have place, I have a lot of space too, so probably we're gonna organize some car meet maybe next year or maybe after summer, because we wait Corona go off, and we will see actually how it's gonna be. And I see it really positive. Check his channel in my description down there, so you see his work and stuff. So as I said, that's for today. Hope you enjoyed it. No race, police were there since the very beginning, so actually no race at all was no good idea. Police were there, they had drones with thermal vision and everything, so thermal and night vision, so you cannot hide from them. We can just say like that. We just were there, seeing cars, have fun, and go home. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, write below what you wanna see in the channel.